it's Sam, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am finally doing my part 2 of my redoing my whole entire wardrobe. Now if you didn't see part 1, I will have it linked down below, but basically what I did was I cleaned out my whole entire closet, and this was the biggest closet clean out I have ever done. I do want to say before I start this video that I am not trying to brag in any type of way. I am doing this for entertainment purposes, and in that video I literally donated everything because I love giving back and it was not for attention in any way. Just wanted to make that disclaimer because the reason I did that video was to give back because I love giving back to the community, and I truthfully am so thankful for everything that I do have and am able to have. I was just doing that video because I was going to be donating the clothes anyway, so I thought it would be a good entertainment video for you guys. And this video is going to be rebuilding my wardrobe for 2021. Now I did get this idea from Pham, so I will have her video linked down below. Shout out to her, she is the best. Literally love her, all credit goes to her. But basically what I did was I asked for some of the things for Christmas. I bought some of the things by myself, and I'm going to show you every single thing that I bought for my new closet, and we are going to do a haul, and then I will show you how I'm going to style certain pieces. So with all that being said, if you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content from me, and comment something down below because it really does help my channel grow. With all that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so there's going to be no particular order to this video. I will do a try on haul, so don't worry, but at the end of the video I'm going to give you tips on how you can kind of save money when retrying to do your wardrobe and everything like that, so stay tuned for that. The first thing that I got was this little shirt from Princess Polly. I did show this in my what I got for Christmas haul, so if you guys want to see that, I will have that linked down below as well. But this is the first shirt I got. I will have sizes in the description box down below just for size reference. I am 5'2" and weigh around 139 pounds, just for size reference for anyone who is wondering. But this is what the first piece looks like. It is so nice. It is from Princess Polly, and I really like the little dragon that's on it, and it's like a really nice material, which I personally really like. I love this material. I don't really know what you would call it, but hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. So this is the first little piece. I wanted to get this because I was trying to go for a more neutral theme this year to rebuild my wardrobe for 2021, but basically the color clothes I was going for was all neutral, so black, white, brown, tan, and then some greens and some blues. So that's basically what my whole entire wardrobe consists of, and then some light pinks here and there. The next thing I got is also from Princess Polly, and it is a light green dress, which I am obsessed with. It looks like this. You guys will see it better in the try-on part, but it's so pretty. It does have this little lace at the top of the dress, and it is beautiful, and when I saw it on their website, I knew it was something that I had to pick up. It is like a silky material, which is kind of the style I was going for, so I'm so excited about this one as well. The next thing that I got is also from Princess Polly, and it's kind of like the dragon shirt that I showed, but it's just a plain white shirt, so it looks like this, and it is the same material and everything like that, but I think it's a really important thing to have just a plain white or plain black shirt in your closet, just because it kind of matches with everything. Next, I got a dress, and it's a black dress, and it's kind of like the same material that I have been showing you guys. I actually didn't realize I got this many of the same material, but this is a dress, and I will wear it all the time, so it's okay. But this is from Princess Polly. I did get a lot of my clothes from there because I literally love their brand. This is what it looks like. Again, you guys will see it better in the try-on haul, but it looks like this, and it is a longer dress, which I really like. And I love how it has long sleeves because then I could wear it in the winter when it's a little warmer outside without like a jacket or anything like that. So very excited about this one as well. The next thing I got is this skirt. It's a maxi skirt, I believe, and it is such a pretty green color. I actually don't wear these, but I saw it on their website and I thought it would be a good idea to give it a try just because I loved the color, and everyone always tells me when I wear green, since my eyes are green, it makes my eyes pop, so I wanted to have some green pieces in my closet because obviously I would love for my eyes to kind of like match with the color because it makes them pop. So I wanted to have a couple of green pieces in my closet, so I definitely will be trying this out soon. I thought it would be cute to wear with like combat boots or something like that. The next thing that I got is from Urban Outfitters. sweaters, and I actually got 2 pairs of these little tights. They look like this, and they do have a pattern on them. I got them for Christmas, and they were in my what I got for Christmas haul, but this is what they look like. I really like them, and I would wear them under ripped jeans or something like that, kind of like to add something to the outfit. The next thing that I got is another shirt from Princess Polly. I promise I did get other clothes. This is just everything that I'm picking up at the moment, but I got this little tube top, and it's so cute. It looks like this. I'm not sure if you guys can see well, but you guys will see better when I try it on. This is a very nice material, and the back is like crisscross, which I personally really like, and I would wear this with high-waisted jeans or leggings or a skirt, maybe with like a jean jacket over it or something like that. The next thing that I got is a skirt, and it looks like this. It is from Princess Polly, and it kind of like flares out at the side, which I really like, and it does have the zipper in the back, obviously, and I really wanted to get this to wear like tights underneath it with combat boots and socks, if that makes sense. I don't know if it's easy to picture what I'm talking about, but I will show you guys at the end, so that is why I got this. The next thing I got is from American Eagle, and I just got a good pair of jeans. I think it's really important to have a good pair of jeans in your closet, so I just got this pair of jeans from American Eagle. They do have rips in them, and this is what I would wear these tights under, just because I feel like it would add a lot to the outfit. I really like these. I did only get 1 pair of jeans because I did keep around 3 that I had in my closet, and I just wanted to say, a lot of people were asking why I didn't clean out my drawers. I did clean out my drawers, and I did make it into a video, but I personally just really didn't like how the video turned out, so that's why I never posted that. But if you guys want to see it, please let me know, and I can still post it. I just don't want to post something that I don't like, but if you guys really want to see it, I can post it for you guys. The next thing I got is this bodysuit, and it is from Abercrombie. It looks like this, and it's a tan color, and it has the long sleeves, which I love, and the material is kind of like that athletic material, which honestly keeps me so warm, and I don't know, it's just really comfortable. So it's just this bodysuit. Again, you guys will see it better when I try it on, but literally love this as well. The next thing I got is also from Princess Polly. It is probably so annoying that I keep saying this, but I want you guys to know where everything is from. So it's this little black t-shirt, and it does have the little bows at the side because it's the one that like cinches up, which I personally love. So this is what that looks like. I think that this is probably one of my favorite shirts just because I love how it cinches at the side. So really excited about this one, and the material feels like cotton, but I really like it. Next, I got these socks. They look like this. I'm not 100% sure where they are from. They might be from Princess Polly, but I'm not 100% sure. They have this little ruffle on the top, which I wanted to get for my combat boots. I'm not sure if they're long enough, but I still think that they're really cute. Next, I have this butterfly shirt from Princess Polly. It looks like this, and I love butterflies so much, so I knew I needed to have this in my closet, and I did get it a size bigger just because I wanted it to be not oversized, but somewhat oversized, if that makes sense. I love oversized shirts so much, but I have so many of them, and I didn't want to get more because I did keep about 5 of them. I had like 25 of them, and I kept 5, so I didn't want to get any more, but I literally love wearing oversized shirts with like leggings. I don't know, I think they're so comfortable. Next, I got this white shirt from Princess Polly, and I love this shirt as well. I don't know the material, but it's so comfortable. But it looks like this, and it does have some buttons on it. It is a little cropped, and that it is long sleeved, and this is what the sleeves look like. I literally love this so much, and I'm so excited to wear it because it's such a soft and like wintry material, if that makes sense. Next, I got a pair of joggers. These are from Abercrombie, and they are very stylish joggers. So they look like this, and they have the little ruffle at the top and also have ruffle at the bottom, which I love. They're like this kind of color, and I got them in a size medium. They're so soft and so stylish. I literally love them so much. Next, I got this shirt from American Eagle. It looks like this. It's a bluish green kind of color. It is a long sleeve, and it's not cropped. It's more of like a sweater. This is so soft. It's not even funny how soft this is. I'm so excited to wear it just because of how soft it is. The next thing I got is from White Fox, and it's this little black sweater. It looks like this, and it's actually a matching set. I love matching sets so much, and my grandma got this for me for Christmas, and these are the little shorts that go with it. This set is so soft. I am literally in love with it. The next thing I got is this hat. My mom got me this for Christmas, but I feel like it will be a very good staple in my closet. It's a black hat. It's from Princess Polly, and I'm just so excited to wear it. The next thing that I got is this tan little tank top, and it's so cute. So it looks like this. It is a crop top, and I don't know, I think it's really cute and so excited to wear this. I want to wear like necklaces over it. I really like how that looks. I see it all over Pinterest, and this is kind of what that theme is going for, like a Pinterest kind of aesthetic vibe. The next thing that I got is this really pretty silk satin kind of material, and it's in this very light pink color. It's basically a button down. It is so pretty, and this is from Misguided. I'm literally so happy I got this for Christmas because it's so soft, so silky, and such a nice material. Next, I got this brown dress, and I am so happy that I got this dress because it's such a nice dress. So it looks like this, and it does have the little cinch at the side as well. I got it in a size small, and this is what it looks like. Next, I got these earrings from Princess Polly, and they're these star earrings. They are so pretty. I did get these for Christmas, but as soon as I got them, I knew that these were going to be such a good staple to have in my closet. I also got this during Black Friday, and it's this little necklace from Francesca's. It's a choker, and I love this necklace so much, so I'm so excited to add it to my closet and my wardrobe and everything like that. And then the next thing that I wanted to show are these butterfly earrings. I also have lock earrings, and I think there's a key earring as well, but it looks like this, and these will be really cute with everything I got as well. These are again from Princess Polly. I know I probably said Princess Polly so many times. This video is not sponsored. I just really love their clothes. And then for shoes, I got these kind of platform combat boots, and I love these so much. They look like this. I don't know where they're from because they were a Christmas gift, but if you guys want to know, I can ask my mom, and then I can link them down below if I could find them. Just let me know in the comments down below. But this is what they look like. I love them so much, and this is basically the vibe that I was going for based off of Pinterest and everything like that. So I'm so excited about these as well. But basically that's everything new that I bought for my closet. Again, if you guys want to see the closet clean out video that I did where I donated all my clothes and everything like that, I will have it linked down below. Just keep in mind, again, I'm not trying to brag in any way with this video. I'm not trying to brag in any way with that video. I am so thankful for everything that I got for Christmas. I'm so thankful for everything that I have, and I'm so thankful that I was able to have everything that I did give away. I personally just love giving back and think it's a really important thing to do. So that is why I made that video. This video and that video is just for entertainment purposes of why I put it online, but I'm not trying to brag in any way, and I just want you guys to know that. But with all that being said, that's basically everything that I got for my wardrobe. There are like a few other things like bralettes, bras, underwear, stuff like that. The next thing I wanted to talk about is how you can kind of redo your wardrobe if you're looking to with a budget. So basically, I asked for a lot of these things for Christmas. I did buy some of them with my own money, like I said. And then another really good thing you can do to get really good quality clothes for a cheaper price is to thrift clothes. I personally did not do this just because of everything going on in the world, but depending on when you are watching this video, or depending on if you want to go online thrifting, or if you feel comfortable going to a thrift store, that is a really good way that you can get new clothes or create a new wardrobe, Pinterest inspired, or whatever aesthetic you are looking for a cheaper price. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that. I'm sure a lot of you guys know that already, but I just wanted to let you guys know why I didn't do that in this video and everything like that. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about is outfits. So what I'm going to pair together and everything like that. So I don't really know how I'm going to show this because I already did the try on portion. I guess I will try on certain outfits right now and show you guys and put it like over a montage. So editing Sam, cue montage. But that's basically the style I was going for this wardrobe. I hope I gave you guys some inspiration, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you watched up until this point, comment your favorite outfit down below. With all that being said, if you guys liked the video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!